Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can add the program to the favorites without the application on Bosch Dishwasher SPV. So in the first step, turn on your appliance, select your program and the additional functions that you like much. Then hold the favorite button for 3 seconds. Now the program is added, so this is our new favorite program. If you want to perform it, just turn on your appliance and click on the favorite button. As you can see, this is our program. If you want to remove the program from the favorite, you have to use the application or perform factory reset of your device, so holding the power button for 4 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.